The Lift FaceFit professional service is a great way to deliver quick, visible eye benefits for your customer while introducing them to stress-positive eye lift and the concept of positive stress. The goal behind this 10-minute active skin bar service is to illuminate the eye area and promote an energized and positive appearance even on their busiest schedule. Begin by greeting the customer as they take a seat at the skin bar. Ask further questions in relation to their stress levels, such as how do you feel about stress? Do they notice any changes around the eyes? We understand with so much to achieve in life, customers want to look as alert and healthy as possible, and using stress-positive eye lift will do just that. Ask them about their current skincare regimen, especially how they are treating the eye area. Have them use the mirror to point out any concerns such as fatigue, puffiness, wrinkles, or dark circles. Next, have them quickly complete the abbreviated consultation card and ask any additional questions pertaining to their skin health and stress levels. Be sure to check for any possible contraindications, especially to electrical modalities and exfoliation. Prep the customer with a headband and dental bib and clip around the neck. An additional bib may be positioned across the lap to protect their clothing. Use your face mapping skin analysis knowledge around the eyes and be sure to check in between the eyebrows. Further note any signs of fine lines, dark circles, dehydration, puffiness, and signs of tired or stressed eyes. Cleanse the eyes thoroughly using 1 to 2 pumps of pre-cleanse on damp aesthetic wipes or damp cotton. Remember, for those with lash extensions, use a small amount of soothing eye makeup remover on damp cotton, and then rinse with damp aesthetic wipes. Exfoliate by gently circling the eyes and in between the brows 1 time using Daily Resurfacer as your leave-on exfoliant. Use one side of the finger mitt, then rotate, and use the other side for the opposite eye area. Another option is to use half a teaspoon of daily microfoliant mixed with water in a jelly cup. Apply with a fan mask brush around the eyes and then manipulate the product with small fingertip circles. An ultrasonic brush or ultrasonic blade on exfoliation mode may be used with daily microfoliant, and then remove all traces with warm aesthetic wipes or damp cotton. As a note, if the client is using a retinol eye treatment, the exfoliation step should be omitted. Have the client close their eyes and spritz antioxidant hydro mist or prescribed Dermalogica toner over the face. Show the client stress-positive eye lift in the cooling applicator tip. Let them know they will use the applicator to apply the product as well as performing the eye lift DIY. For professional application, use one professional cooling eye wand to perform the eye lift DIY and verbally guide the customer throughout each step. Remember to tell them for their best experience, they would perform the following movements at home using the product's cooling applicator tip. Dispense about an almond-sized amount of stress-positive eye lift on the back of the hand. With the cooling eye wand, generously apply 6 dots. 3 under the eyebrows and 3 under the eyes. Repeat on the other eye. Next, to lift and energize, press and lift up at the inner, center, and outer corner of the eyebrow. Hold each lift for about 1 to 2 seconds. Gently glide beneath the eye, back to the brow, and repeat 3 times. And then repeat again on the opposite eye. To brighten and depuff, gently circle under the eye from the outer corner to the inner corner. Glide back towards the outer corner and repeat all movements 3 times. And don't forget to repeat on the other eye. Leave the product on the skin for a few minutes to mask and use this time to complete the face mapping prescription sheet and discuss the benefits of stress-positive eye lift. You can circle the eyes to smooth out any excess product. For additional lifting, perform microcurrent lift movements if you have this modality available. Be sure to select the lifting mode or program and set to low. Ultrasonic on penetration mode may also be used to further enhance the treatment if again microcurrent is not available. First, dip the probes in multi-active toner and start at the end of the brow. Place first probe above the eyebrow and hold stationary, and then use the second probe to lift and softly hook the brow up towards the stationary probe. Hold this position for about 7 to 10 seconds. Continue to move along the brow, repeating the lift and hook movements for a total of 3 times. Next, move to the center of the brows with the probes together. Moving outward at a 45-degree angle, pull probes in opposite directions and hold for about 10 seconds. Repeat the lifting movements on the other eyebrow. Now, finish with a layer of multivitamin Power Firm, Total Eye Care SPF 15, or a Dermalogica prescribed eye treatment. Skin Perfect Primer SPF 30 may be applied as a final step. Complete the face mapping prescription sheet with recommended products and further treatment advice. Book your client for their follow-up eye lift microzone or in-room full treatment.